These are the elevators. This is the elevator at the main gate garage. This is an original elevator from the late 90s. This may be a Montgomery. It says vandal resistant chimes. And there's up the shaft. You can barely see. And then up to 5. Door close button works. This is, I think this is original. This is an epic motor. It is hot in this elevator. Takes forever to level.
Oh my god.
A little bit low on hydraulic fluid, maybe. Let's see if the bell will ring. Panel's loose. Watch the numbers as we go down. And we'll do one trip, and we'll do one more trip.
The chime looks like someone might be here.
Yeah.
So look it out.
Takes forever to level. We'll just film it. We're not going to get their picture taken. We're just going to watch it go up.
It's also another Inground.
Yep. Big Inground. I cannot see very well down that into that pit. I can barely see in the pit. But this is an Inground. And we'll call it back down. It says incandescent light bulbs, I think. This is, yeah, I can tell this is an older, this maybe is, yeah, and it's coming down, I think. I heard that it's coming. It's almost here. We'll send it up to 5 and we'll do a full view out the window this time. This has a really good motor. And you can see the view down on the street. There's the Marriott. Oh, it had classic leveling. Let's send it back down. We have time for another trip because I want to see that classic leveling again.
You may see it on the way down.
Yeah. Yep, here we go. It's coming down. Are there any more elevators that we can check out, or no?
There might be a couple. There may be some. Depends on what's open.
Oh, let's see if it has classic leveling. Nope. Oh, a little bit of classic leveling.
Yeah, we saw it.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. And there it goes. And that's it.